Hey guys, I have another very important question to answer. How to find models for shibari? So there are a couple of ways. You can do it through Instagram, through Facebook, through Tinder probably. So what do you do in Instagram? You put hashtags. For example, if you're traveling somewhere, like what I do, I just put, for example, hashtag shibari and write a city. When I've been to Seattle, I just hashtagged Seattle shibari, and I found a dude that is called Seattle shibari. He's pretty cool, you should check him out. But what helped me a lot was that he tags all the models and the photographers, and I just texted some people that he tags, so we could collaborate with some of them. That was great. Also, a good thing about Instagram is that you can look for people through geotags. So you just put geotag, let's take Seattle, and you look through all the pictures of like people that post in Seattle. Maybe you can look for geotag Seattle and hashtag model, which really helps. And you just text them. You just write them a long message, what you do, why you're interested, and try to explain yourself, because just a message, hey, can I tie you up, is not okay. It doesn't work. Unless you're Johnny Depp, I guess, but whatever. It works 1 out of 10 times. So you text 10 people minimum, and then maybe 1 answers. If you're lucky, 2. Okay, next. Facebook. Facebook events can help you a lot. When you're traveling somewhere, or if you're just leaving the place, you just Google events that are connected to shibari or kink. Also helps to find people that are into, and it's gonna be easier for you if you just go through events, and you can write some people who organize it. They can connect you with somebody. Also, sometimes Tinder might work. Search through Tinder is okay, but it works not in every country. It worked for me only in Japan, because in Japan people use Tinder to find friends. But you know, like when I try to do that in Russia, nobody answers. I just I swipe through girls, and I text them like, hey, let's make a photo shoot, and like let's collaborate, but that never works. It's too hard because they're looking for men. But in Japan, I'm really thankful for Tinder, because I found Kaori, and that was my favorite model and my best friend in Japan. And the third one, which is actually the best one, I think, just talk to people, make friends. When you're somewhere, go to the bar, go to some event, you just talk to people, you ask them what they are into, and they tell you a story about themselves, and then you tell a story about yourself, and you add a little information about your hobbies and your passion to shibari. And maybe those people are already into that, and that will make your life easier. But if not, you can be enthusiastic enough to make them believe that this is something that they really should try at least once in their life. Sometimes it works. It works for me, because when I travel, that's how I find models. I just talk to them most of the time. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and good luck with finding models and people who are into shibari. You can just, also, we can help each other. You can write a tag to your Instagram or something, or if you just want to communicate in YouTube, you can send a link to your profile under this video in comments, and that's how you find people who want to interact with other people. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe it if it was helpful. Bye bye.